Well, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, whatever your current life situation is. Hello, YouTube. This is Jeffrey Kite coming back at you with another episode of Kite's Curiosities. Tonight, I'm going to bust open a box of 2022 Major League Soccer from Topps. Now, who am I hoping to pull out of here? Well, none other than this man right here. My main man for Atlanta United, Mr. Joseph Martinez. Now, when I bought this box, when I ran it through the scanner, let's see, when I ran it through the scanner, it made usually it goes gloop, gloop, or doop, or a little something like that. But I ran it through and it made a and so usually when it makes that crazy sound, there's a security tag in here. And where there's security tags, sometimes there's some big hits. So let's see if we get a big hit out of this. All right, folks, it's been a day. I just need to just chill and just get me a good rip. Got the Leatherman bolster out. Let's see what we got. Looks like 6 cards per pack, 10 packs plus 1 extra pack. Why they market it like that, I don't know. Why not just say 11 packs and 6 cards per pack? It's a marketing deal. That's what it is. It's just like, ooh, I'm getting an extra pack. Okay, whatever. No, anyway, so off of that high horse. Let's pop it open here. See. All right. Some interesting looking here. Well, those looked, see how they look? Those look a little bit thinner than these, but I guess because of the flap. So, anyway, let's pop them open. Gonna get my 10 packs. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and my extra pack. Extra pack. Alright, let's see. Let's get to ripping. I've not seen these cards. I don't know what these cards look like. Let's see. Alright. Oh man, these look sharp. I like that. Nice big names here. We got Denny Leva, Real Salt Lake team card. What's that? Oh, Axel Key. That's nice right there. Is that that's a rookie card. Okay. Nice. S17, so I gotta see what kind of subset that is. Maybe Shield, because that's what that is right there, the shield of Real Salt Lake. Oh, that looks nice. Mamadou Fall. No, not serial numbered, but gorgeous looking card. Look at that. Nice. Yes! There we go. There's an Atlanta United right there. Mr. George Campbell. Jaden Nelson and what's his name? Oh, Abu Bakar. See, Abu Bakar Kita. Nice. He's a decent player. He's really good. Plays for who is he with now? Colorado. Yeah, he's been with Columbus for the past couple of years. He's with Colorado this season. Abubakar Kita. Let's see. All right. Oh, another rookie card of Aki Loba. Oh, Alex Ring, one of the all-time greats. Ian Hoffman. Paxton Pomykal. One of the better young players in the MLS right now. Lucas Cavallini. And Christian Ortiz. Is that? Yes, for that new club out of Charlotte. Will be his first professional season in MLS. All right. I thought I recognized him from some. Must have been some of the Liga leagues down in Mexico, I think, that he played with. So, yep. Yep, played with some Mexican leagues there. Okay. That's where I know that name from. We have, Musa Djiti, rookie card. New England Revolution. Okay, international players. Lucas Zelarian. Zelarian, Columbus Crew from Armenia. Okay. I don't know much about this guy. I'll look that up. This pitch proteges. Calvin Harris. Oh yeah, that's that guy from Cincinnati. Atlanta United plays these guys Saturday. So hopefully we can shut down Mr. Calvin Harris and his FC Cincinnati teammates. Oh, Mark Anthony K. Nice. Gustavo Boo. That's a fun name to say, isn't it? Gustavo Boo. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Brooks Lennon. One of my boys. Nice. I'll feature him back there. We've got New York City FC. Pedro, I think it's Vite. It's either Vite or Vite. I think it's, I'm going to go with Vite. No, probably Vite. Anyway. Let's see. Rahul Rui Diaz. I always have a hard time with it because I want to say Rui Diaz, but it's Rui Diaz. Excellent. Excellent ball player. He is, man. If y'all get a chance, look this name up. Rahul Rui Diaz. I mean, this dude has some crazy goals. Crazy goals. Very happy to have this card. Oh, sweet. Serial number to 75. What? Maybe this was the hit that set the scanner off. And, I mean, it's chipped up and beat to crap, but who cares? Who cares? It is. See that corner right there? It's still serial number to 75. Wonderful hit. Nice. We're going to display this one right here. We'll put that right there, right at George. All right. Inter Miami FC. I think it's just base. Yeah. As a pitch perfect or pitch protege Axel Key rookie card. Nice. Man, Rui Diaz card is just gorgeous. Oh. Robin Lod, Tavon Gray, Kyle Alexandre. I got another international players, Maxi Morales. Let's see. Efunenyachi Achara. Okay. I've heard Achara. I don't heard that name, Achara, but let's see. I might be confusing him with somebody else, but if this is the guy I'm thinking about, he's had a pretty decent season. Ifun Anyiachi. That's a tough one. But I know Achara is that last name there. Let's see. Demir Krylik, excuse me. And Christian Espinosa. We got Jan Gregus. We have Reed Baker Whiting. Rookie card. We got Yimi Chara. Yeah. Yimi Chara. He and his brother play for the Portland Timbers. Oh, goodness. Oh, or is this the Chara that I'm thinking of? No, this is Yemi. Yeah, Yemi and his brother play together. His brother, I cannot stand his brother. His brother's like really, really good. I mean, if he played for Atlanta United, I would love him. Is it Diego Char? No, I don't think it's Diego Char. But anyway, but these guys but they are just so nasty as defense players. I mean, they are nasty defenders. It's probably some of the best in MLS history, but anyway, can't stand them, but if they were on my team, I would love them. Let's see, Austin FC, got Michael, Baldissimo, yeah, Michael Baldissimo, and Stefan Frey. Ayo Akinola, Corey Baird, ooh, Eber, international players, Leon Flach, see serial numbered, no, all right, Kieran Gibbs, Calvin Harris, hopefully we can shut him down this weekend. And DC United. No Joseph Martinez yet. Hopefully we can snag him. Let's see. Andre Shinyashiki. Shinyashiki. Yes, it. Andre Shinyashiki, excuse me. Got tongue-tied there for a minute. Federico Navarro. Okay, Federico Navarro. Oh, Mr. Excitement, Jose Altador. One of the best American players we have ever had. Kim Moon Hwan. Frankie Amaya, and Christian Caceres Jr. Sporting Kansas City, also known as Sporting KC. Oh, very nice. Walker Zimmerman. Exciting player, man. He is just phenomenal. Things he does on the pitch. Federico Navarro. Ooh, what is this? Carlos Vela. Very nice. He's featured on our pack right there. That's Carlos Vela. for the LA. He plays not LA Galaxy. No. Let's see. Yeah, LAFC. I almost said LA Galaxy. It was LAFC. I get them mixed up when I'm watching them. I don't know if this is something really special or not. He is a great, great player. Very nice card there. Nice. We got Cecilio Dominguez, Talis Magno, and Brian Rodriguez. All right, now these last two packs. Been a long video. Thank y'all for hanging in there with me. Caden Clark, Johnny Russell. I got Cameron Harper, Pitch Prodigies. Jesus Ferreira, Gotti Kinda, and Felipe Mora. All right, last pack. Last pack magic. Let's see if we get our elusive Joseph Martinez. Albert Rusnick, very good player. Was he with Utah? Yep. Real Salt Lake. Yep. Very good guy. I want to say I got him TTM. I could be wrong now. Ah, there's the Achara. A double on that one. Jordan Morris, Shield card. Reed Baker Whiting, very nice. I think, yeah, we had, did we pull one of those earlier? I think so. Isaac Atanga, and to finish up, Nashville SC. So we did not pull our Joseph Martinez. But we did pull some really, really nice cards. We got our Brooks Lennon. We got our beloved George Campbell. And then we got this baby right here. Rahul Rui Diaz. Numbered to 75. Let's back it up. There you go. That's nice and focused now. What number is he? It would be amazing if he was number 13. We can tell. I don't know what he wears. I'm a very, very much so a homer when it comes to MLS soccer. I keep up with my Atlanta United, and I know those guys, and I don't really follow anybody else too much. So, all right. As always, folks, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Till next time, y'all take care now. Have a good one.